Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we are using an array to summarize the results of a survey. So 20 students were asked to rate the quality of the food in the student cafeteria on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 means awful and obviously 5 means excellent. Place the 20 responses in an integer array and summarize the results of the pool. So we created this program for the problem that we were asked to solve. As you can see in here, we have defined this symbolic constant of a responses size of 20 because we have 20 responses. And we also have defined this constant of frequency size with the value of 6. Even though our range is between 1 and 5, we have defined it as 6 because we are going to ignore the very first element, which is going to be 0. Because we do not have a scale of 0, and that's why we are going to ignore 0 and we will have a range of 1 up to 5. Going on, we are coming to the main function. Here in the main function we have our responses from the students that are stored here in this array of responses. Then we have this array which is going to count the frequency of each response. And the size of this array is going to be the frequency size, which is going to be 6. And all of the elements are going to be initialized to 0. Then we are going to use a for loop to calculate the frequency of responses. For example, here, when the answer starts from 0, we put 0 in here. And then we see that the 0th element of the array of responses, it has a value of 1. And then we replace this area with the value of 1. And frequency of 1 is going to be added by 1 value. And that's how we are going to calculate the frequency of responses. Finally, we have the header that's going to be printed. And the summary of the responses is going to be printed using this for loop and this printf statement. Let's go and run this program. And as you can see, we have the ratings and also the frequency for each rating. For example, for 1 we have 3. Let's see, we have 1, 2, and 3 responses of 1. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes.